Bitches Baby Chair, and today we're going to do this half cut crease glam. Today is just not a makeup day. Like, I'm literally, when I'm done recording this, I'm going to take my makeup wipes and just take it all off because I'm just not feeling it today. I just want to have a messy bun up, be in some sweatpants, you know, watch some shows, you know, and just relax all day. But I was like, I'm just going to record, you know, I'm just going to record. So I did. I don't even have a highlighter. I'm just too lazy to put highlighter. I was too lazy to put on makeup. Like, the beginning of this video, when I started recording, I was going to record something else, but then it just went downhill and I just removed it and I just did this. It was something more dramatic and out there, but I was like, I just can't. Today is not a makeup day. I don't have the hand to do it. I don't have the blending skills to do it today, so I'm going to just wipe it off and do something easy for me and quick to do for me. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look right here, I tried and I think it looks pretty good because I'm not even like wanting to wear makeup today, so I think my makeup looks pretty good today. If you're not a part of the Butcher fam, you should join because, you know, my Instagram and my Snapchat will be down below in the description. If you want to, like, you know, contact me, you know, call me and be like, hey best friend, I'll be like, hey best friend, like, what's up, you know, like, hey. But yeah, so I'm gonna go wipe off this makeup and yeah. But if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. And this video will also be a voiceover because I just was not, like I said, I don't even feel like recording today, but I was just like, you're gonna record. But if you want to learn how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first palette that I'm going to be going in is the Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland palette, and I'm going to take the color called Reflection, which is like this kind of like orange kind of transition kind of color. And I used this color, I was like shocked because I never used this color in my entire life, and I was like, wow, this is a really pretty color. And then I go in with the Tartiest Pro palette, and I go in with the color Bold, I think I took. And I really like that color for a transition. And then I take the color called Edgy. Those two colors, Reflection and Bold, I take as a transition. And this color, Edgy, I take on the outer part of the eye and kind of blend it into the crease just a little bit. And then in the Alice in Wonderland palette, I'm going to go in with another brown called Chessboard. And I'm going to grab some of that and put it on the outer part of the eye and also blend it into the crease just a small little bit. I don't want these two browns, Edgy and Chessboard, to be in the crease a lot, but I do want some of it to be in the crease. And then I took my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Fair Clair. I always forget the name of that one, but it's the lightest concealer that they have. And then I blend it out with my fingers just to blend everything out so everything's not really harsh. And then I damp my brush, and I don't remember what color I used. I didn't show it. I didn't show you what kind of color I took, but I think I took Royal Flush from the Alice in Wonderland palette. I could be totally wrong, but it's like this pinky white kind of shadow. It's very pretty, and I forgot how much I love it. And then I'll take that brush that I took the browns and kind of blend that out just so it's like very pretty and stuff, and it's not like harsh. And then I'll put mascara on, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. No, actually, I show you guys my lashes. The lashes I'm going to be using is the Elure Lashes In 202. They're dramatic lashes. And at this point, I'm wondering what I should take on the bottom lash line. I was just so confused what I wanted to do. But I'm going to take this color, and I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to take it and go all the way under there and take the Edgy color and put most of it on the outer part of the eye, but then also take it to the inner part. And then I forgot what this liner is, but it'll be down below in the description if you want to know what it is. All I know is that it's black. I got it at Five Below with some kind of eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner or something, I don't remember, but I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I take a lippy color, it'll be down below, and I put it on and just like a little swatch on my lips, and it looked really good. But then when I put it on my lips, on my whole lips, I didn't like how it looked, so I put on the Mellow matte lipstick on top in Posh, and it looked really good, so I did that. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else. And I also wipe out the powder. Don't forget the powder that's under your eyes. I wipe that off in a minute. Alright guys, so this is the end of this makeup look. I just want to take this off, and I just want it off. Today's not a makeup day at all. I'm just not a makeup person today, you know? We all have those days, but after I'm done recording this video, I am going to take it off. We'll take some pictures after for the thumbnail, and then, you know, take it off. Because, yeah. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video.